Personalizing your Slack workspace with a custom picture can make your environment feel more welcoming and reflect your team's identity. First, open Slack on your desktop or visit slack.com in your browser and log in using your email, Google or Apple account. Once logged in, select the workspace you want to customize from the list on the left. At the top left, next to your workspace name, click the small down arrow to open a menu. From there, choose Tools and Settings, then Customize Workspace. Under the Workspace icon section, click the Upload Image button. Browse your computer to select the image you want to use. Keep in mind, Slack may ask you to crop it, so a square-friendly image works best. Once you're satisfied with the image, click Save, and that's it. Your new workspace picture is now live, giving your Slack environment a fresh look and a touch of personality. Whether it's a team logo or a fun image, this simple change helps make your workspace feel more engaging